Hey guys, let's talk about Google Forms and how to make a branching quiz. First thing, I'm in my Google Drive. I'm going to go up to New and More and Google Forms. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to label it. I'm going to call this Branching Quiz Example and my name. Okay. Tab, and there's my title right up there. The first question when you do this in your classroom is always going to need to be their name, and a helpful tip is to have them do the hour and then their name. It can be last name, first name, or whichever you prefer. But if you do hour first, then Google can sort them numerically so that you'll have all your first periods together, your second periods together, for et cetera, et cetera. So there's a nice little tip for you. Short answer is fine, and I'm going to click required. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a section. This section, I'm going to, come on, this needs to come down, add a question. And my question is going to be, who tried to eat the 3 little piggy poos? Option 1, the big bad spider. Option 2, the big bad goat. Option 3, the big bad wolf. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is add another section, and I'm going to make this a video of the 3 little pigs. Do a little search in YouTube, very handy dandy little resource here, and this one looks fantastic. I'm going to select that, and now I have a video there. I'm going to hit add a new section. And I'm going to add a question, and I'm going to say, what was the final house made from? And option 1, straw. Option 2, sticks. Option 3, bricks. And I'm going to make another section. And this, I'm going to add another video, and I'm going to find a video on why are bricks so strong. And that one looks good. Of course, you'll preview all of these, but I'm just making this as an example. Okay, so we have our sections put together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. And this is our first question. I'll just title this question 1. And we're going to edit so you can see those 3 little lines. And down here, it's going to say go to section based on answer. So if they hit big bad spider or big bad goat, they need to go to the next section because that's our video that reviews the story of the 3 little pigs. If they hit big bad wolf, they can continue on to section 4 because section 4 is the next question. Okay, so section 4 is actually question 2, and we're going to float, get the little edit. This is a required question again. Is question 1 required? Nope. There we go, required, thank you. Okay, question 2, edit, 3 little dots, go to section based on answer. If they hit straw or sticks, they need to go to the next section so they can learn why bricks are so strong. And if they hit bricks, then we're going to go ahead and let them submit the form. Okay, so when they do all of this, when they go through, it'll send them to where they're supposed to go. There's also grading options in here. I think it's right here. No, might be in settings, where you can collect email responses or email addresses, and you can send responses right back to them when they're finished. Presentation, show progress bar, yep, quizzes. Here we go, make this a quiz, and you can assign point values, and it'll auto-grade it for you, which is amazing. And then to send it, you can do this a couple different ways. Of course, you can send through email if you have that set up in your classroom. You can do a link, and you can hit shorten URL even, that looks a little nicer, or you can hit embed. You can do the link or you can do the embed. Let me just show you how to embed just for fun. I'm going to copy that link, and then when I go to submit in Canvas, okay, I've got it on student view, so this should be like what you see. To submit your answer and embed it, what you do is insert, edit media, and I'm going to choose embed, and I'm going to paste that code, hit OK, and look at right there is my quiz. The other way to do it is with the link, copy, quiz, and paste. Oops, hit the wrong thing. Paste. There we go. And then hit next. I hope this helps. Much better than just having to read through it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, okay? Thanks, guys.